I am here today, just doing a quick little live, eating my dinner here. Just a quick little live, eating my dinner. Thank you for coming. Thank you for the people that's gonna come. Thank you for being here. This is my dinner. Some fresh tomato, some broccoli, some grilled fish, and some baby cucumbers with some mashed potato. Thank you for being here. This one is for Goga. If you know Goga, call Goga for me and tell Goga I am doing, I am eating my food on a live. Goga is always saying, you never eat on your live. Let's see you eat on your live. So today I'm eating on my live for Goga. Happy Friday. What the hell? Happy Monday. Thank you for coming. Thank you for the thumbs up. If you see Goga, call Goga for me. Who's that? Is that Special K? Let me go on my next phone so I can see who that is. It looks like Special K. It is Special K. Hey, Special. Hey, Special KK. Good evening, Annie. Okay, so I'm about to have dinner. So Goga said, I don't eat dinner. Yeah, it's Monday. I don't Special. I don't know where I got Friday from. But yeah, it's Monday. I don't know why I'm racing the time. Can you hear me nice and clear? I've got a new phone now. So my son bought me a new phone. My son bought his mama a new phone because my phone fell in the water. You know that day when I was doing my live, the phone fell in the water and it was just acting up after that. It wasn't working after that. So my son decided to get me a new phone, which he did. So yeah, that's the phone. Okay, yes, loud and clear. And I've got a big mouth as well, so you would be able to hear me, isn't it? Oh gosh. Yeah. It's just a quick live. Thank you for coming. Thank you for the people in the bush. Can you please tap on the screen? Tap, tap, tap. And like up the live. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Or you can come out the bush and say hello. You can say hello, you know. It's okay. Here I am. I'm right here. I am right here. You can come out the bush and say hello. See, look, there I am. Thank you for tapping on this screen. Tap, tap, tap. How's your Monday going, Special? How is your Monday, girl? Holiday. Hello. Happy Monday. Yes. I'm just doing a quick live because Goga always have a go at me and said, good vibes, Kate. You always prepare all this nice food and you never eat it on the live. So I'm eating it on the live today. Hey, Bless. Bless, I'm on your... Did you end? No, you didn't end. I'm still watching your duppy thing with my ninja. I'm not listening to it though. I turned down the phone very low. Happy Monday to you too. Happy Monday, God's child. My Monday is going good, thanks. Okay, good, good. Good, good, good. Someone's calling me. My sister was calling me. I had to decline her call. I'm sorry, my sister. She's gonna say, every time I'm calling you, you keep declining the call. But I always tell her, if you call me and I decline the call, I'm on Facebook. Not Facebook. What am I saying? I'm on YouTube doing a live or something. Holla Dre said, I'm hungry now. Why are you hungry? What you having for dinner? What are you guys having for dinner today? Don't forget to tap on the screen, guys. Tap, tap, tap. Like up the live, like up the live, like up the live, miss it, like up the live, like up the live, miss it, like up the live, like up the live, like up the live, like up the live, make me eat up my food, me, I go eat up my food, me, I go eat up. I'm such a fool. Billionaire mindset, let's grow together. Hey, billionaire mindset, let's grow together. Welcome to my live. Happy Monday. Connect to each other, guys. If you see, don't connect to Special KK, please. Whatever you do, do not connect to Special KK. She is not a content creator and doesn't wish to be. Okay? But connect to each other. If you see anyone here that you're not familiar with, that you know is a content creator, please to connect to them. Okay? Like up the live, myself, like up the live. Like up the live, myself, like up the live. Food, 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 like up the live. Me, I go eat up my food. Eat up my food, me, I go eat up my food. Eat up my food, me, I go eat up my food. Say you fi cook, gal, yes, you fi cook. Gal fi know how fi cook, cook, cook. Oh, God. Don't mind me, guys. Hey, Irene. Hey, Irene. Happy Monday. I want to connect to Special K. Listen to me. Leave Special KK alone. Special KK don't want no connection. Greetings from Kenya, says Irene. Greetings from the UK, Irene. Greetings, greeting, God's child. She knows. She already knows. Special. Don't mind her. Don't pay her no mind. She already know already. Oh, God. So on my plate, I have got some sea bass that I grilled. I've got some fresh tomatoes, or some people say tomato. It don't matter how you say it. Tomato, same difference. I've got some baby cucumbers, and I've got some mashed potato. Yeah, and I've got some broccoli, and this is the long stem broccoli. I like this one. So what I did, I steamed the broccoli for a little, and then I put it on crisp, and I made it a little bit crisp. It's a bit black like me, but it's okay. It's a bit black like me, but it's okay. And nobody's allowed to say that, only me, because I'm talking about myself. I love problem. Yes, I know you love problem. You're a problematic child. Connect to me for what? You want problem? I know she knows, lol. Special K, I'm coming. I don't care. Are you want to connect to? No, you need to change your face and come back as Anna. I love problem. Lord, bless you, God's child. So, guys, if you're watching my channel for the first time, my name is Good Vibes K. See me here? This is me. My name is Good Vibes K. If you're watching for the first time my channel, my name is Good Vibes K, the lady with the vibes. Over here, so always nice. No hate over here, no envy, no grudge, none of those things, right? It's all about the vibes. Respecting people, loving upon people, making people feel good. When you come to my channel, you're supposed to laugh. If you're even feeling stressed, you're supposed to just laugh and just have a good belly laugh And when you get off the live, you say, whoa, I enjoy Good Vibes K Live. That's what my channel is all about, people. Right? So you come over here and you get some laughter, like a big belly laugh. Yeah? And you enjoy my live. You enjoy my live. And you get a big belly laugh of live. A big belly laughter. Belly full of laughter. And then you go on your merry way. That's what King Morgan is here. King Morgan say happy Monday. Happy Monday to you too, King Morgan. Happy Monday to you too. The food prettier, whatever, I don't care. That's your opinion. You're entitled to it. And Jay Brown is here. Hey, Jay Brown. And he says, Kay, bless Evelyn to you and to each and everyone in the house. Special. Okay, I read that already. Thank you guys for coming. Happy Monday. Let's have a tomato. Let's have a piece of tomato. Who wants tomato? Who loves tomatoes? I do. Who wants to be a millionaire? I do. God's child is looking and I don't know what she's looking at. What are you looking at? How you look, pan? Hey, lady, how you look, pan? Eh? Tomato. How do you say it? Do you say tomato? Or do you say tomato? Or do you say tomatoes? Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. When I move, fly. What the hell is this little fly's problem? Move away from my plate and go look for your parents. Okay, please just give me the plate and stop the knives. Make me go and enjoy the food. Would you? That's nice. Delicious. Delicious. I tell you, it's so delicious. Oh my God. Let's bring this a bit closer. No, further. Let's try and... What is flying a move and go look for him? So and so and so and so. Fly. Go and look for your so and so and so and move away from here. Okay, there's the plate. I wanted you to see the plate better. You're welcome, King Morgan. Thank you for coming. Like up the live, myself, like up the live. I'm not going to start eating until I get at least 10 likes. I've only got 9 at the minute. Like up the live, myself, like up the live. Move my fly. I'm going to look for your parents. Your mother calling you, man. Your mother look for you. Cho, move, man. Love me. No, you need to go away and move. One little fruit fly. I don't know if it's because I just put some fruits on the table, but I only put them there so they can ripe up a little bit. And then I'm going to transfer them to the fridge because I can't be bothered with these damn fruit flies, ginger flies, genge fly, or whatever their name is called. I don't like flies. I hate flies. Get on my nerves. Ugh. Oh, it's 10? Oh, when did it reach 10? I won't start eating until I see Goga. Where's Goga? Where is Goga? Goga said that I never eat on my live. I'm always cooking food, nice food. And then I don't eat it on my live. That's what Goga said. So, I'm going to be eating it on my live today. Courtesy of Goga, guys. Courtesy of Goga, the one and only Goga. Because he always tell me, oh, you never eat the food. You always cook the food. and then you don't eat the food. Where do you put the food? Good vibes, K. So I'm doing this today for the one and only Goga. So somebody call him, please. So when Goga comes, I'll eat. So someone call Goga for me, please. Goga! Oh, Goga! Oh, I was trying to share out myself. Oh my God, I was trying to share out myself. But it's 758-555-39. Hey, me and my big mouth, I nearly call out my number on the live. Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy, I nearly call out my number. Lord of mercy. Don't do it, girl. Don't do it. Don't do it. Like up the live, myself, like up the live. Where's go? You see, it's 9. It's only 9 thumbs up. Somebody take back their thumbs up. Honestly, so. What can go so? So you give me the thumbs up and then you take it back. What can go so? What can go so? Huh? You gave me the thumbs up and then you take it back. What can go so? What can really go so? Moving a fly? The person give me the thumbs up and take it back. What can go so? Tell me now. Tell me what can go so. You give me the thumbs up and then you take it back. You're going to get take it back bump. 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 You are going to get take it back bump. Take it back bump. You're going to get take it back bump. You are going to get take it back bump. You're going to get take it back bump. Whoever give me the thumbs up and take it back. You're going to get take it back bump. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. I am coming. I'm just sharing me out. I'm sharing out myself. Come watch me, WA. I'm sharing out myself. I'm coming. Me no gone away. Me there, same way. Me there upon the gully side. If you want to know where to find me, guys, I'ma say. Please go and watch me. Oh, Lord. Don't mind me. Okay. I'm sharing out myself, guys. I'm sharing out myself. Okay, let's come back to the comment section. Goga soon land. Okay. Okay, Special K, you call him. Thank you. Oh, hi, Miss Slim. Miss Slim E, welcome. Happy Monday. It's 10. Look at Special. Okay, it's 12 now. Special say, Goga! Eat, please, 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 please. Okay, Yovi. Welcome, Yovi. Eat it. Welcome to my live, Yovi. Don't forget to tap on the screen. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, Yovi, I'm eating it. Look. See? Mmm. Mmm. I'm eating it, Yovi. I'm eating it. Where's Yovi gone? Yovi, where you gone? Come back here. Come back here, Yovi. Go, what? Go with yoga with. Ah! Go. I looked down and I saw yoga with Goga, and I'm like, wait, is that Goga or is that a imitation? She has finally decided to eat. Thanks so much, Special, for calling me. What can go so? What can go so? Wait, I need to go and get my agua. Let me go get my agua, guys, cause yeah. Let me go get my agua. Some nice agua. Oh, good. Go, go. Go, guys, here. What? Okay, I need to drink. I need to drink some agua. I have never heard Kay laugh this hard. Got you really good, Kay. Yeah, no, because I was here and I was like, I'm not eating until Goga come, because Goga is always saying, you never eat on your life. You make this nice food and you never eat it on your life. Oh, my heart. Whew, give me a second, guys, to catch my breath. Give it. Bless. Mind your business. You're too fast. Give me your phone, Bless. Bring your phone and give it to me, Bless. Mind your business. You're too fast. Shh. Okay, greetings from J Bro. Bless life journey. Happy Monday. Special. Let me look at my glasses. Special. I did not expect that from you, Special. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, God. Go check out good. I'm Bless. Bless. I thought we were sisters. Stop it. Stop it. Oi. Okay, dinner time. Me come just in time. Yes. Go guys calling Elaine. Herbs is saying, greetings everyone. Special, I love you. There's Goga. Blessings everyone. I'm at work. I'm in the background, but when I remember about the Bless, go and do your work, Bless. Bless, go and do your work. Hello, God's child. Since mom. Misha, where's me? Oh. When they say Misha, I always think it's Misha Bless. I left my life to run here. I knew it was receipts. Go away, Goga. Goga, love you too. Okay, are we having? No, we're not. We're not having no mukbang. Something like that. Sort of, kind of. I did this for Goga because he's always pestering me and telling me that I always cook and I never eat it on the live. I gone back in the bush. Yes, galang in the bush. Galang, move, gwe. Okay, eat then. Goga, you don't have a life running. Goga, go. Bless, move yourself. They shall say eat. Okay, bless. The only reason why I'm not gonna put it in private because it got over 1K views, so I'm gonna leave it. And that was organic 1K views, so I'm gonna leave it. That was organic for a dummy channel. It got a very good view. I should have put that on my channel, you know. I shouldn't have put it on my ninja channel. But Miss Slim E, what are you laughing about? What are you laughing about, Miss Slim E? What? What? Miss Slim E, what? Blessed, can you not zip up your mouth or padlock it up and stop talking? Why you talk so much? Eh? You put it there. Goga said the ring got lost in Scotland. Yes, Goga, yes. And Miss Charmaine is here. Blessed love checking in from Florida. Blessed love to you too, Miss Charmaine. Oh, I can't breathe. Miss Slim E, blessings. What is happening? Miss Slim E not telling you nothing. Move yourself about. Miss Slim E not telling nothing. You're too fast. Why? This food is getting cold. I knew it was for display. She never eats. Look, I'm eating. Look, I'm eating tomato. Tomato. Cheers. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Goga, go back to your life. Go back to your life, Goga. It's let's just say it's not real food. Just teasing us. I'm sipping coffee, says Mr. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Guys, you know I never went to work last week because I wasn't well. Oh man. I need some more water. Okay, I'm eating now. I'm eating now, Goga. Watch. What? Gaga! Gaga, I'm gonna unsubscribe from your channel. I'm gonna unsubscribe from Goga and Blaze channel. What? This fly is getting on my nerves, you know. This damn fruit fly. Just flying around. You know. That's what I want. Go for some fish. Special K. Anyway, this was gonna be a short live, so I'm gonna be ending now. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for coming. Oh God, I can't breathe. I need to breathe. Special say go away. Special, the fish is calling me, says Miss Charmian. It's all Special knew where to find me. That's making me laugh. Goga bro done. Check. Really, Bless? I'm gonna. Ha! Look at Bless. Bless. You're not gonna make me have asthma attack. Bless, move before I block you from my channel. Goga, you was right. She don't eat the food. Thank you, Bless. Guys, go to like playlist. Goga, I send it directly to you. You are not eating just a pig on the plate. I am a member. I can't be blocked. I'm gonna unsubscribe from you. Watch. Okay, I'm eating. See, I'm eating. Yeah, she messy. She's so messy. She's so messy. Messy herbs. Goga, leave me alone. I'm eating. Look, I'm eating. Can you hear it? I swear to God, I'm going to kill this fly. This fly is getting on my nerves. Herb Sissy hug. She don't want no hug from you. Why the fish not touch? Let's go, girl. Bless. Why are you not seeing the person holding K-Ann? I'm making her giddy. Okay, I'm eating. Can you hear it? Let me know if you can hear the crunch. Can you hear it? Bless, I don't want you have nothing on me. Right, Herbs? Right? Yoga, bro, I think that was... Bless, shut up. You chat too much. Lady, Lottie. Hey, Lottie. Welcome to my live. Lottie say, what is that? Lottie, it's tomatoes, baby cucumbers, some broccoli, some mashed potato, and some sea bass fish, Lottie. Thank you for coming. Tap on the screen, Lottie, and like up the live. Welcome to my channel. My name is Good Vibes K, the lady with the vibes. I have zoomed. Yes, this person was just happy for her. I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna put that video in private. The entire body eating. And so when you eat, your entire body look like it's God's child. God's child. Elaine, why did you not tell me about this new receipt? Too late, Kay. Wow, Scotland was clearly at no comment. Kay told me she was going to work. I swear. Okay, see, I'm eating, guys. I'm eating. Mmm. Mmm. Yummy, yummy. Hey, Rosalie. Happy Monday. Hey, TC. Happy Monday. Special. What? What did Goga say? Special. I am vexed. Bless up God's Child TV from TC. Rosalie say, yummy, yummy. Hi, TC from Special. Okay, you lot blessing up each. Goga. Goga. I gave them back, Goga. Goga, I gave them back. I said no, and I gave them back. Special, go away. I'm eating. Can't you see? Look at the plate. Can you see? I am eating. Look. I'm doing this for Goga, you know. Goga, you know that I'm doing this for you, right? I am doing this for you, Goga. Because you said I normally don't eat, so I'm doing this for you, just for you, Goga. Look at Miss Charming. What about the fish? Miss Charming, what is your problem? What your problem, Miss Charming? What is your problem? Blessings always, chat. Rosalie. Exactly, Charming. Lol. Tell her we want some fish. Miss Charming, put on your phone. Stop lying. The way you. Goga, I'm not reading your comment. Move yourself. What did I do, Goga, from God's Child? You didn't do nothing, God's Child. We want to see you eat the fish. We hungry. I'm not eating no fish and no live. So, one wait. They have a long wait. The fish will be bless. Bless. Didn't you say you was at work? Go do your work, Bless. Give me your phone and go and do your work. You want to see you eat the fish. Bless, I'm not reading a comment. Fish is for decoration. Yes, the fish is for decoration. The fish that wasn't left. The fish that was left is booked out. Read God's Child comment on Scotland. I'm not reading nothing. It's not like we can see. What? Your mouth chew. Go gosh. Bless is doing her work. All these receipts. She is a diligent worker. No, she a informer. Informer. You know, say them the song we are gonna play. A licky boom boom now. See them bam a licky boom boom now. Informer. Yeah, informer, bless. Chop, chop, chop. I'm not reading your comment, bless. Go away. I'm not reading your comment. Miss Charming said chomp, chomp, chomp. No, sir. Lol, the sound. Let me mind my business and share this on my maid. Bless. He's sprinkling water. No, she not sprinkling no water. She burst the pipe. She burst the pipe and burst the tank. All of the water seeping out. She burst out the river bank. That's what Bless is doing. Let me eat a piece of tomato. Cheers. You're an informer. I threw them chatty, me can't live in peace. Every little thing them can call the police. Them chatty, me can't live in peace. Every little thing them run call the police. I threw you chatty, me can't live in peace. Go where you don't. You got her good. Miss Charming, be quiet. All right, I'm going to eat a piece of fish now. Get ready, guys. Drum roll. I'm not eating no fish and no live. All right, then. Tell you what, deal. If you want to see me eat, look at that special care about drum roll. And a little thing then call the police. Yes. Come on, Kay. Start it. Wait, Rosalie. You as well. All right. Tell you what. I've got a $sign next to my name. Tap on the $sign and give me a super chat and I will eat the fish. And I guess what? I will even do one better. I will put the camera up so you can see my mouth when I'm eating it. So tap up the super chat and I will eat the fish for you. Deal. And I swear, I won't go back on my word. I swear to God. And I don't talk about God lightly. Ah! Look at Special K. No, Goga. I said I swear to God. I don't call God name in vain. I don't do them things. So I won't go on my word. I will put the camera up. I will put the camera up. I will show my face. And I will eat the fish. I will finish the plate. Just light up my screen with some special K. Give me your phone. Yes, Special K. My Charming. I was ahead of you. Ah! No! No! Jesus! Jesus is Lord. Ah! I'm burning up. Jesus. I'm burning up. Okay. Oh my God. They say be careful what you wish. Oh Jesus. That is it. Never play with special K and I. Ah! Look at Miro! Miro! Go back in the bush! Jesus! Miro, go back. Ah, Jesus. Look at Miro jump out the bush. Like, seriously, Miro? Never. This is what we did last time. We want results. What a bangarang. Right, Rosalie? What a bangarang. Hi, Andrea. Happy Monday. You going to this coffee choked me. Look at Goga coming this. Jesus Christ. We're talking about. Put the fish where your mouth is. Miss Charmaine, go away. Oh, okay, wait. Give me a second, guys. Let me console myself. Oh, God. Let me sip some water. Oh, Jesus. Hey. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my heart. My heart is racing. Thank you. Oh, God. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Here I am. Oh my. And remember, you are showing. I know you're an iron actress. What's so funny? Andrea Ombia. Fish. Okay, no sign. I can't do it, guys. I can't do it, sorry. I can't do it. Why are you going? Your head. Did I miss something? Give us back. Here I am. I don't want to. Okay. A bet is a bet. Give me the fish. Fish, fish, fish. Show me in a move. Okay. Oh, good. Special. Jesus Christ. Yeah, it's about time. Eat the fish, not the decorations. Goga, leave me alone. Okay, I'm eating it. Damn. Ugh. Ah, boy, be careful what you wish for. Okay, bear with me, guys. I don't eat fish skin, so I have to take off the skin. Okay? I don't eat fish skin, chicken skin, nothing with skin. So, I'm very meticulous when it comes to eating fish. So, I have to take off the skin, alright? So, bear with me. Bear with me. Fish. See? Fish. I can't believe I'm doing this on the live. Oh my God. Okay, let's get some more fish. Fish. It's nice and fleshy. Yes? Okay, that's enough. Oh my God. I'm so embarrassed. Mm. I feel so damn embarrassed. Just a whoop whoop. Guys, comment on Special's blessings. Then she really has to finish. Guys, comment on Special's blessing. Stop dancing around the fish. Eat the fish. Eat the fish. It's a Eve Love. Hey, it's a Eve Love. Happy Monday to you. Thank you for coming to my live. I appreciate you coming. Oh, God. I can't believe you lot are doing this to me. Hey. Hey. Chineke, oh. Hey. Thank you for coming to my live. It's the East Love. Happy Monday to you. Don't forget to tap the screen. Tap, tap, tap to like up the live. Thank you for coming. Wait. This was comedy gold. I received for the rest of the month. Rings, fish, sea god. Go away. Okay, let me finish eating. I'm not afraid. Everybody, come hold my hand. We walk this world together. Oh, God. Can I end now, please? Can I end the live now, please? I want to end the live. Please and thanks. This is enough humiliation for one night. Can I please end the live now? I would like to end the live now, please. This is enough. Humiliation for one night. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming to my channel. I am going to be ending now. Miss Charmaine, move. What are you laughing at? You and Rosalie. What do you mean end? We haven't had this. Go, go away, Goga. You go away. There's no such thing. Go away. You haven't had dessert? This was breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Like a 3-course. I can't believe it. Oh my God. Move yourself, Miss Charmaine, about dessert time. What dessert? There ain't no damn dessert. Anyway, I'm going to end my live now. So thank you guys for coming. Thank you for being here. This is enough humiliation for one night. I appreciate you all for coming. Love and respect. Look at Mrs. Charmaine about cake or chocolate. You said you had fruits on the table. Make a fruit salad. No amount of super chat would not make me do that. Nope, that's not happening. And Miro, you. I can't believe you jumped out the bush, Miro, and did that. Listen to me, Fly. If you don't go look for your mother, your sister, your brother, your uncle, your father, the rat, the cat, and move. I can't believe it that you lot duped me. Actually, I duped myself. Why did I dupe myself? Why? Why did I do that? I can't believe I did that to myself, you know. Next time I'm going to shut my mouth. Okay, you funny, says Rosalie. Don't ramp with us. Next time I need to zip it and keep my big mouth shut. I chat too much. That's what I do. Chat too much. Then chat too much. Yeah, that's me. Chat too much. Okay, you need to turn the fish. Goga, that's not happening. That is not happening. You're pushing it. That not happen. That not gonna happen. Nada. 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 Finito. Finito. I am so happy to be here. What a good love. You're welcome. It's an AI mirror mirror orbiting. It's okay. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry your pretty little self. Don't worry. Goga, disculpe. Disculpe. That ain't happening. Finito. Nada. That's not happening. Anyway, guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for coming. I appreciate you all coming to my live. I appreciate you all coming to my live. Thank you for coming. Love and appreciation to each and every one of you. No dessert. Special K. My grandmother did say, go sit down over there, so. Yeah. Go on over there, so. Go sit down by your body. That is for you, special. Anyway, guys, thank you for coming to my live. I appreciate you. Thank you for being here. It's Eve Love. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you coming. Happy Monday. Enjoy the rest of your Monday, guys. And I will see you on the other side. I will see you on the YT streets. You're welcome for having a laugh on me. That's what my channel is about. Anyway, my channel is about good vibes. Yeah? So you're welcome. That was all on me. I don't know what I did to myself, but that's all right. It is what it is. Oh, do you like my head wrap, guys? This is how I went to work today. I'm a down-to-earth woman, you know. 1 minute you see me, I might be wearing a wig. 1 minute you see me, I might be wearing my natural that God give me. And next minute you see me, I might be wearing a head wrap like this. Some people don't like it. They're like, oh, what kind of head wrap that you have on your head? It make you look like an old woman. I don't care. I don't give a hoots. This is me. It is what it is. So yeah. Thank you for coming to my channel, guys. I appreciate you. Thank you for the super stickers. Appreciate you. And thank you for tuning in. And thank you for the thumbs up. I see them. Thank you all for coming. Everyone that came. I'm not going to call any names because I don't want to miss anyone out. But thanks to everyone that came. I appreciate you. Oh, special to me, all man. Special. Someone's opinion don't really matter. So we don't care. We keep pushing. And we do what we do. It is what it is. So yeah. Thank you, Miss Charming. Special. Look at me saying I'm not calling no name. Goga, Miro, It's a Eve Love, Miss Slim, Rosalie, Blessed Life Journey, Jay Brown. Who else? Who else, guys? God's Child TV. All of the Bush people, Miss Slim E. Yeah. Thanks to everyone that came. I can't remember anyone else. If I left out Andrea came as well. Thank you, Andrea. Oh, Miss Charming. Miss Charming, but she come from Florida. Laughing and carrying on. Yoga with Goga. And everyone that turned out. Thank you very much for coming. I appreciate you all. Manners and respect, love and elevation, love and light to all. Thank you. Bye. See you soon. I'm gonna go finish eating my fish. Bye.